Hello, hey,
Hi, how are you, Canine?
Welcome
to Nico's Reality.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome, please sit down.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good, thank you.
Today we are going to talk about Dune.
Yes.
Dune is a new project in Tulum. Chris came from Canada and he told me that it was really exciting to do a new project in Tulum because of course Tulum is really well known in Canada, in the United States, in Argentina, in a lot of countries and in Europe too, and he wants to be part of this. So he made a design which is really nice. I really love it because it's kind of minimalist and we have like just 6 apartments.
Yes.
And yeah, I fell in love with this project and we have some clients interested and were booked there. Chris told me that he would like to be part of the auction because he would like to make some quick sales because he would like to have some new project also, so he doesn't have a lot of apartments for sale right now in this project, and he offered to put in this auction 1 2-bedroom. So can you tell me more about this apartment, this project?
Well, this is a great opportunity, as you're saying. Chris wants to stay here in Tulum. He loves Tulum since the moment he came here. So obviously right now the land, as you know, is growing prices and everything because we are in a growing area, in a growing city. So right now, well, Chris wants to put this apartment, a great opportunity, very good price because Dune just has 6 apartments. This is very, very good opportunity because in La Veleta you cannot find such a small project with all of this quality and with this design that he is bringing to Tulum. You know? Well, Dune, it has just 3 2-bedroom apartments, okay, in one side, and then in the other side has the other 3 apartments with 1 bedroom. On the top we have the rooftops, okay. One obviously that's the 2 bedrooms at the rooftop, and the second one 1 bedroom with the rooftop. You know? So right now, Dune is putting this apartment 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 95 square meter. What I like about this apartment is very well located. It's located in one of the principal avenues in Tulum.
Oh yes.
So that means that you're gonna have a lot of equity in the future, right?
Yeah.
It's beside and it's surrounded to all projects that are developing right now in Tulum.
Yeah.
So it's an area that is already, you can see that it's gonna happen. It's happening. No?
Yeah, I see that there is Mangla, Cacao.
Yeah.
It's close to
Central Park.
Central Park.
Yes. So it's close to everything. And as I told you, it's on a principal avenue, but the thing that I like about Chris, what he did, is the entrance of the building is going to be by the pool.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So you have a lot of privacy, privacy and safe.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So it's one opportunity, and you cannot miss it.
Yes. And the thing that I like for the apartment too is that they have 2 terraces.
Yes.
So they are bright and you have
very high windows, a lot of lighting getting into the apartment. Every apartment has a terrace looking down to the pool, and it's very private because obviously you cannot see your neighbors because are 3 and 3. That's it.
Yeah, they're really, it's really nice. And the size too is really good because 95 square meters inside, and I think with the terrace it's 103 or something like this. It's really nice because you have space.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's not like, of course, we to do vacation rental, and people are not going to live inside. But in this project, if you want to receive people, you can live inside.
Yeah, exactly. It's very wide.
Amazing.
Very wide, and the design
Yeah.
how he made it,
Yeah.
it was very good plan.
Yeah, so in this project, design which is minimalist,
Yeah.
with pool and terrace and
Parking.
view and parking.
Yeah.
Now it's going to be something very good. And
Yeah, it's a very good opportunity.
Yes. Yeah.
This is in real time. This is right now. We are putting the last balcony.